How to save post on Reddit application. Are guys facing issues to save post on Reddit app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Reddit on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it, whether it's Android or iPhone. After you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now go over the post that you are interested on. Once you select the post, click on the menu icon. After you click on menu icon, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just simply tap on save. As soon as you click on save, your post will be saved. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna save post on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Reddit application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.